So today, Trump's secretary just said,
We as a federal government don't manage these disasters. The state does.
now see, this was after those big massive floods here in Texas. You know, would somebody please like to enlighten the Secretary of Dress Up what FEMA stands for? How about the Federal Emergency Management Agency? She's literally over them. That's her entire job. Yeah, these are the people running the government. The same people that want to defund storm recovery while going and passing $4.5 trillion of tax cuts for the richest Americans in the country. We've got trillions for billionaire welfare, but no money to help you recover from a storm. Common sense says fund storm recovery more. Republicans say defund it. Absolute insanity.